Mr. Chairman, your committee is also investigating American pharmaceutical companies for their clinical trial operations in China. Merck, AbbVie, Eli Lilly, Pfizer, Bristol Myers Squibb, all now under the microscope. What have you found? What made you open this investigation?
Well, we are requesting information from these companies because they are doing more joint partnerships, more phase 1 trials of medicines in China. There are some very key questions to ask. To what degree is there consent by people who are participating in these trials? Some of these trials are done in Xinjiang, where we have documented a genocide is occurring. Some of these other areas are in PLA military hospitals. And so there's a legitimate question, what kind of consent, ethical safeguards are in place, plus the fact that we don't want to see our pharmaceutical industry moving over to China. We've seen this game over and over again where they will accumulate our technologies, subsidize them, scale them up, and then drive our businesses out of business. We've seen what happens when we're dependent on rare earth materials. We don't want to be dependent on China for our medicines.
I mean, we don't want to be dependent on China for our medicines. That's why President Trump is asking these companies to get their supply chains back to America. What's taking so long? I mean, we knew that we were dependent on China for prescription drugs back in 2020 during COVID. It's 2026.
You're absolutely right, and President Trump is exactly on the right track of bringing this manufacturing back, and we need to continue to work with these companies to make sure the incentives are there. They can get quicker access to trials through the FDA here in the United States, and the Trump administration is reforming the FDA to improve that, and there are a number of steps that we can continue to take to make it more attractive here. But the bottom line is these companies need to stop doing these joint ventures and investments in China and make sure we're investing in the United States.